Yesterday my house was worth $54.99, but today it's worth $1 million. You are probably wondering, how could that happen? And it's not because I mow the lawn every day. I actually love mowing the lawn. Or because I added a doormat in the front. Let's take a look inside. Could it be because I've been cleaning it every day to keep it spotless? You can tell I love cleaning my house. Or could it be because I added a coat hanger and fitted a toilet? Oh, hold on, maybe because I installed central heating. Cute little boiler and a radiator. Maybe, possibly, could it be because I added solar panels? Or planted a few trees? Nope, none of that. What actually happened is something I never expected. I stepped outside drinking my morning coffee, and I dropped my coffee on the grass. There it was, graffiti, spray paint all over the back of my house. I needed help to get up. At first I thought hooligans, but then I looked closer. It was a girl holding a red balloon. Wait a minute, that's not just any graffiti. That's Banksy! I could not believe my eyes. Banksy had actually visited my house and spray painted it, the real girl with the balloon. I was shaking with excitement. What's also interesting, I had a dream last night, and I was dreaming about Banksy's girl with the balloon painting, and it actually came true. How often does this happen? My little cozy house now is piece of art. I'm wondering, what is it worth now? I think I should probably give the real estate people a quick call. Oh, hello, estate agents. Yes, I was just wondering, could you value my house real quick? It's just had a slight upgrade by Banksy. Let me see. Oh, you heard Banksy. That's £1 million, at least. $1 million? Are you serious? I guess I will need much bigger fence now to protect my artwork. Estate agents valued it at £1 million, but for me, this house is priceless. Because no one else has Banksy painting made out of Lego dots on the back of a house. I will be back soon with something new.